Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Wanda. Hi. In this video, I'll be using magnetic printable sticker vinyl. This material allows you to print your own design, photos, and text, creating unique and eye-catching stickers that stick securely to any magnetic surface. This material is available in matte white, compatible with inkjet printer, easy to use, die cut, or shear cut. It is durable and long-lasting. TeckWrap says we recommend laminating your stickers after printing. The packet comes with 10 pieces. It's a size A4, 8.5 by 11 inches. With this material, I'll be creating some bookmarks. And here are some of the ones I'll be creating. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make these from scratch. Start off by selecting Upload. And now select the images you want. If you don't see the images here, select View All. You can scroll down or on the search bar, just add the name of what you're looking for. To add images, just select the green plus sign and then View. Here's the design. Now I need to resize it. To create the bookmark, you want your image to be at least 1.5 to 2 inches big. Therefore, here I'm just resizing it. Once I'm sure, I will duplicate the image. And I'll move this down. Now I need to select a square. I will close this. Move my square over, and I need to resize this. Open the lock. My width will be 0.5 and my height will be 2 inches. Now I'll just move it over and try to center it. Go up to the color panel and change the color. On the top, it'll have the colors of the designs you're using so that you can choose that and match with the designs. Therefore, I'll keep the blue since it matches with the bow. Now I need to send this to the back, so I'll select Arrange, Send to Back. Now, select to highlight everything. Select Align, Center horizontally. You'll want to have the designs each 1 inch of a distance one from the other. So let me move it down, rearrange the bottom one, highlight them, and select Align horizontally. We want to make sure they're aligned properly. Now, in order to have the images line up evenly, once you fold the bookmark, you will need to flip the top image. Select Flip and then flip horizontal. Highlight everything and let's add an offset. Let's make it 0.04 and apply. You can also change the offset color or you can keep it the same color. In my case, I'll keep it the same color. And now I'll highlight it and flatten it. This will make it all one piece. And if you're not satisfied with the size, you can always make it bigger or keep it that same size. Once you're done, select Make. In case you're using a text image, I'll show you how to turn it a way that it can be read. So here's the image. I'm resizing it. And now I'll duplicate it. I'll move this one down a little bit. And now I'll just go grab a shape. I'll grab a square. I need to resize this. I'll resize it 0.5 times 2. Bringing it over, sending it to the back. Now go up to the top, select Flip, and then flip vertical. And you'll notice you can't read the wording. Now, let's do it the correct way. I'll duplicate it. Bring it up here. And what we're going to do is go over here to rotate and we'll type in 180. Therefore, we're rotating 180. And as you can see, now when we fold our bookmark, we'll be able to read it. All right, I'll get rid of this by selecting it all and deleting. Here's our bookmarks. As you can see, I also added some Hello Kitty images. Now I'm just rearranging them, making sure that they're not touching each other so that they can cut perfectly. You can probably fit a couple of more small images in there. I chose not to. Now I'll select Continue. Select Send to Printer. Select Next. And select your printer. In my case, I have 3. I'll keep the bleed on and I'll select Use System Dialog. Now Print. For my preferences, I'll select Media and Quality. I'll also select Best and now Print. Select Done. To set base material, I'll be selecting Browse All Material. On the browser, I'll type in Magnetic. Here I have 2 options. I'll select Magnetic Sheet 1.0 mm. Select Done. Once I'm here, I'll select More Pressure. And here's the sheets. TeckWrap says these are matte finish, inkjet print quality, flexible and cuttable, indoor DIY projects only, and no harm to babies. With that being said, now to print the bookmarks. To cut these with the Cricut, I'll be using a strong grit mat. Here's the magnetic printable sticker vinyl. Look at how bright those colors look. I'll be placing it on the mat. I'll make sure the little arrow is to the corner of my mat on the upper left side. And once that's on there, I'll proceed to cut it. To cut it, I'll be using just a regular blade that comes with the machine. This will take a while to cut since it's doing 8 cuts. Now, here we are, back again. And this cut beautifully. I'll show you. Just pull on a corner and start lifting. Look at this. This cut beautifully. I can't believe how easy it is to remove this. Just look at those colors. This is beautiful. Now to remove these off the mat, I'll just turn my mat around and start pulling them down. This paper is ideal for creating DIY photo frames, refrigerator magnets, photo walls, and other indoor projects. Now I'll just turn them around. And look at this. How cute is this? I am just in love with this. Now all that's left is just folding them. Just align it and then put pressure. You can use a book overnight and this will keep them folded. I gotta say, these turned out beautiful. Just look at them. And here's the fridge magnets. So if you watched to the end and you liked the video, don't forget to give us a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. See you in the next video.